तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै सदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकृतकृपा सिन्धुवैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। सप्तकांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वृंदाई तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Netrila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Netrila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyamad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So, continue also discuss about Ratha Yatra, the cart festival in Jagannath Puri, and we also listen how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced in front of Lord Jagannath and expressed his sentiments. So now after 5 days from Ratha Yatra, that means Hera Panchami. Hera means that is called the to search. Panchami means 5 days from the cart festival. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very eager to listen this sweet festival celebration, how is going on Hera Panchami. For this regard, Kasi Mishra and others devotees, they also arrange very nice, beautiful the celebration of Hera Panchami. The Hera Panchami is also another name is called Lakshmi Vijay. So Hera Panchami din aila janiya Kasi Mishra kahe raja sajatna koriya কাল হেরা পঞ্চে হবে লক্ষ্মীর বিজয় ওইছে উৎসব করো যেন কভু নাই ভয়। ঠাকুরের ভান্ডার আর আমার ভান্ডারে চিত্র বস্ত্র কিঙ্কনি আর ছত্র চামরে ধ্বজা বৃন্দ পতাকা ঘণ্টায় করহ মণ্ডন দ্বিগুণ করিয়া কর সব উপহার রথযাত্রা হইছে যেন হয় চমৎকার। Then king himself very eager and also told to Kasi Mishra and others, you have to arrange very nice, beautiful the celebration of Hera Panchami, the victory of Lakshmi Devi also. That is called Lakshmi Vijay, the victory of Lakshmi Devi. তবে তো করিও প্রভুর লয়া ভক্তগণ স্বচ্ছন্দে আসিয়া কইছে করে দর্শন প্রাতঃকালে মহাপ্রভু নিজ ভক্ত লয়া জগন্নাথে দর্শন কইল সুন্দরাচলে এলাম নীলাচলে আইল প্রভু ভক্তগণ সঙ্গে দেখিতে উৎকণ্ঠা হেরা পঞ্চমীর রঙ্গে কাশী মিশ্র প্রভুরে বহু আদর করিয়া সগন সহ ভালক স্থানে বসাইলাম রস বিশেষে প্রভুতে প্রভুর শুনিতে মন হইল ঈষদ হাসিয়া প্রভু স্বরূপেরই পুছিল যদ্যপি জগন্নাথ করেন দ্বারকা বিহার সহজে প্রকট করেন পরম উদার তথাপি বৎসর মধ্যে হয় একবার বৃন্দাবন দেখিতে তার উৎকণ্ঠা অপার বৃন্দাবন সম এই উপবনগণ তাহা দেখিবারে উৎকণ্ঠিত হয় মন বাহির হইতে করে রথযাত্রা ছল সুন্দরাচলে যায় প্রভু ছাড়ি নীলাচল নানা পুষ্পোদ্যানে তথা খেলে রাত্রি দিনে লক্ষ্মী দেবী সঙ্গে নাহি লকি কারণে So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all his associates Parikar, they seated on a very nice, beautiful, comfortable place. And then Mahaprabhu and seated especially with Sarup Damodar and others devotee. And very nice, beautiful drama will be celebrated. How Lakshmi Devi, she is going to meet with her husband Jagannath, and this Leela is now going on. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very eager. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Sarup Damodar. রস বিশেষে প্রভু শুনিতে হইল মন ঈষদ হাসিয়া প্রভু স্বরূপের পুছিল Chaitanya would little bit smiled and he would ask to Sarup Damodar. Yes, Jagannath always staying in Dwarka, but he is very munificent and magnanimous. For this regard, once a year, and he goes to Vrindavan, and because Vrindavan is very beautiful place. In this way, Lord Jagannath, he also performed this lila that is called Rathayatra lila, and Sundarachale Jai Prabhu Chhadi Nilachal. Nana Puspoddan, because Sundarachal is as like Vrindavan. Jagannath Puri, Nilachal, that is called Dwarka. So Mahaprabhu also asked everybody like to Vrindavan, because Vrindavan very nice, beautiful, and place is there, very nice, beautiful, natural flowers, garden, and Krishna can very easy to play very nice, beautiful pastimes with his associates, and in this way. But Mahaprabhu asked Sarudaman, Lakshmi Devi sange nahi lay ki karan? Why did not Krishna take Lakshmi Devi with him? Sarup kahe suno roop sone Prabhu ihara karan Vrindavan kridate Lakshmir nahi adhikar Vrindavan ilay Krishna sohai gopigan gopi bina Krishna harite nare mon. Then Sarup Damodar he told, actually this is the simple reason, because Lakshmi Devi she has no qualification to perform sweet pastimes in Vrindavan. Because Vrindavan Lila only gopis they can associate with Krishna. Because Lakshmi Devi she has opulence mood, or gopis they have sweetness or madhurya mood. Those who are the devotees of opulence, Vaishtarya Margya Bhakta, they can't understand about the sweetness of Vrindavan. Vrindavan madhurya ko आस्वादन नहीं कर सकते हैं. This is the nature. प्रभु के যাত্রা চলে কৃষ্ণের গমন সুভদ্রার বলদেব সঙ্গে লুই দুইজন. Then Mahaprabhu also continue, also asks, why Lakshmi Devi she is angry? Because one thing also, Krishna took himself his sister Subhadra and his elder brother Baladev. গোপীগণ সঙ্গে যত লীলা হয় উপবনে, নিগুড়র কৃষ্ণর ভাব কেহ নাহি জানে। Krishna performed sweet amorous pastimes in Vrindavan with the gopis. তবে কৃষ্ণের প্রাকট্য নাহি কিছু দোষ, তবে কেন লক্ষ্মী দেবী করে এত রোষ? Mahaprabhu continue us. So that means there are no any faults of Krishna. Why Lakshmi Devi she become very angry? Then Sarup Damodar continue told, প্রেমবতী স্বরূপ কহে প্রেমবতীর এই তো স্বভাব, কান্তের উদাস ঔদাস্য লেসে হয় ক্রোধাভাব। Then Sarup Damodar told, this is the reason of love and affection. Because when her husband little bit indifference, udasya, nirapeksha, that time she become very angry. হেনকালে খচিত যাতে বিবিধ রতন, সুবর্ণে চৌদলা করি আরোহণ, ছত্র তামর চামর ধ্বজা পতাকারগণ, নানাবদ্ধ আগে নাচে দেবদাবিগণ, তাম্বুল সম্পুর ঝাড়ি ব্যজন চামর, সাথে দাসী যত হার দিব্য ভূষাম্বর, অনেক ঐশ্বর্য সঙ্গে বহু পরিবার। ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী আইলে সিংহদ্বার, জগন্নাথের মুখ্য যত ভৃত্য গণে, লক্ষ্মী দেবী দাসী করে ন বন্ধনে। Then nice beautiful drama is going on. Lakshmi Devi she decorate very nice beautiful Sringar. Very nice beautiful singer. So and especially Lakshmi Devi she seated one very nice beautiful palanquin and some also her maid servant fanning, taking the chat, holding umbrella, chamar, dhaja, pataka, and flag, etc. And also some maid servant Devdasi, they also carrying with her, that is called tambul samput. Tambul samput, that means the betel nuts and pot. And especially after chewing the betel nut and split on that the pot, that is called also tambul samput. ঝাড়ি ব্যজন চামর, সাথে দাস দাসী শত শত হার দিব্য ভূষাম্বর, and also taking many kinds of ornaments and this way. And all they are dancing, singing, নানাবাদ্য আগে নাচে দেবদাসীগণ, তাম্বুল সম্পুর ঝাড়ি ব্যজন চামর, সাথে নাচে দেব সাথে দাসী শত হার দিব্য ভূষণ, অনেক ঐশ্বর্যের সঙ্গে বহু পরিবার, ক্রুদ্ধ লক্ষ্মী আইল সিংহদ্বার। In this way, Lakshmi Devi she proceed to meet with her beloved Krishna. জগন্নাথের মুখ্য মুখ্য যত ভৃত্যগণে, লক্ষ্মী দেবীর দাসীগণ করেন বন্ধনে, বাঁধিয়া বাঁধিয়া আনিয়া পড়ে লক্ষ্মীর চরণে, চোরে দণ্ড দেয় যেন না লয় ধনে, যেন লয় নানা ধনে, অচেতন বৎতারে করেন তাড়ন, নানা মতে গালি দেয় ভণ্ড বচন। Then all the maid servant of Lakshmi Devi, they also tied and bind the servants of Jagannath and having chastisement, and as like king he gives the punishment those who are offenders, and three for this way. অচেতন তারে করে তাড়নে, নানা গালি দেয় যেন ভণ্ড বচনে, and use many harsh words. লক্ষ্মী সঙ্গে দাসীগণ প্রগল্ভা দেখিয়া, হাসে মহাপ্রভুর গণ মুখে হস্ত দিয়া। Then when Lakshmi, when Mahaprabhu saw this, then Mahaprabhu little bit also covered his mouth with his cloth or hands, because how Lakshmi Devi is this type of activities. দামোদর কহে ওইছে মানের প্রকার, ত্রিজগতে নাহি দেখি শুনি নাহি আর, মানিনে নিরুৎসাহে ছাড়ে বিভূষণ, ঘুমে বসে নখে খেলে মলিন বদন, পূর্বে সত্য হমার শুনে এবং বিধমান, ব্রজে গোপীগণের মান রসের নিধান, নিজ ইহ নিজ সম্পত্তি সহ প্রকট করিয়া প্রিয়ের উপর যায় সৈন্য সাজাইয়া। প্রভু কহে কন কহ ব্রজের মানের প্রকার, স্বরূপ কহে গোপী নদী গোপীমান নদী শতধার। Now coming the Swarup Damodar told, I never heard these types of man. Lakshmi Devi, this is not her man. This is called anger, krodh. Actual Krishna, when he left Nilachal to Sundarachal, that time Krishna did not tell to Lakshmi Devi, where is he going? This is the fault of Krishna. And another 5 days already passed, but Krishna, he did not send any message to her. And for this regard, Lakshmi Devi is very angry, and she is going to search, where is my husband, what is he doing this? So Swarup Damodar told, actually this is not a man, this is actually called anger, krodha. If the man is another things. Yesterday I told Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Nishti, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. When the Prem more condensed, that is called Kam, that is called Sneha. And Sneha more condensed, that is called the Pranay or Man Kami. So that time actual the money, that time beloved left his all his ornaments and wearing the very what is called the Malin Vastra. Malin Vastra means क्या cloth बोलता है? That cloth is not good. Understand this thing? Anyhow, so and that time, and he also scratching the earth with his nails and crying, shedding tears, these things. But we had also the Satyabhama's man, Satyabhama's man also we had, when Narada Rishi gave one parijat flowers to Krishna, and Krishna gave that that parijat flower to what is called Rukmini. Then Satyabhama, she became very angry. She left the assembly house and she came with her Kopa Bhavana, Man Bhavan. Then Krishna came and also pacified to her. Then Krishna and Satyabhama, they went to a heavenly planet and brought the whole parijat tree and planted on the courtyards of Satyabhama. So Satyabhama, this man also. But Gopi's man, that's very confidential. So for this regard, Swarup Damodar also explained, Braje Gopiganer man rasera nidhan, নিজ সম্পত্তি প্রকট করিয়া প্রিয়ের উপর যায় সৈন্য সাজাইয়া. Actually, Lakshmi, this man is completely different. Lakshmi man Vilakhan. Because Lakshmi Devi sees attacked to Jagannath, Mane Krishna, with her armies and showing her opulence. प्रभु कहे कह ब्रजेर मानेर प्रकार, स्वरूप कहे गोपीमान नदी शतधार. Gopi's man is actual the stream of the river. नायिकार सभा प्रेम वृत्ते बहु भेद, সেই ভেদে নানা প্রকার মানের উদ্ভেদ. Now little bit also discuss about Nayak and Naika, hero and heroine. That is called 96 types of hero. Then we can also discuss man and other things. That is in Ujjwal Nirmani very clearly explained. Dwaraka, Mathura and Gokul. Dwaraka, that is called Purno. Mathura, that is called Purnatara. And Vrindavan, that is called Purnatama. Because that is depend on the opulence and also Prema Madhurya. Then, so for this regard, three, Purna, Purnatara, and Purnatama three, and then also four types of also Nayak, that is called Dhirodatta, Dhir Udatta, Dhir Lalit, and Dhir Santa. Hmm? So how many? 3 into 4, 12. Eh? Then also Poti and Upavati, husband and beloved, this mode, that is equal to, so 12 into 2, 124. Then also again also four types of Nayak, Anukul, Short, Dakhin, and Drishta, and four types. So that means 24 into 4, so 96 types. Very simple mathematical, you can understand this. So in this way, Ujjal Lunmani also explained there are 96 types of hero, Nayak. Now we coming in the Nayika Prakaran and heroine, and we have the 360 types of heroine Nayikas. And first that is called Sakya and Parakiya, married and wife and husband relationship. One is called lover and beloved. So two. Now coming in this way, three types also again Madha, Mugdha, and Pragalbha. But here very nicely you can understand Madha, that is called three types, Pragalbha three types, or Mugdha one type. Okay, now how many who? 7, 3 plus 3 plus 1. Eh? Now 7. And now but Sakya and Parakiya also for this regard, into 2 7 into 2 14th. Eh? Now another types also Naika, that is called Kannaka. Kannaka, and they are not married. They are very young girl. They are also staying under guidance of their parents. But they also hidden away meet with Krishna. So that is called the one type. So for this regard, 14th plus 1, that is called 15 Panara. And then 8 types of also Naika. Understand? 8 types of Naika. And that is called, and 8 Ashtasakis. And there also 8 bhav in their Ashta, and 8 types of Naika. And so 14th into 8, that is called 120. 1520. And then also Naikas again also explain three types. There is Uttam, Madhyam, and Kanishta 3. So 120 into 3, so and 360. Achha. Now you are coming now, because just we also explain how the mathematical way the 96 types of hero and 360 types of heroine. Now this also coming, prem also depend two things. One is called Vipralambha and is called Milan, meeting, and separation and meeting. So separation, four types of separation. Vipralambha, Viraha, that is Purvarag, Man, Pravas, and Prema, Vaichitta. Now coming in the Man, because our subject is going on the Man. What is the meaning of Man? Man means actual not anger. Man means actual when lover and beloved, their prem so much condensed, and that time they can to separate to each others, and if they also separate to each other, they cannot tolerate, and that time so much their love and affection coming. So for this regard, and that time in their heart little bit coming, as a cope, that Kutilata coming, that is called actual man. For this regard, Ujjalinman also explain Sineha Dhikke no Bhadra Bhadra Hetu Nava Ruse Nova Hetu Na Nirvene Va Kautilla Manam. Actually, this man is coming so much love and affection. And that time they are, especially Naika, she is feeling, whatever I will give the happiness of my beloved, no one can give. These types of sneha, love and affection coming. And that love and affection more condense and create, that is the Kautilla, Kutilata. And that is called the man. But this man also again divided in two. That is called Udatta man, another is called Lalit man. Everything actually coming from affection, love and affection. Udatta man manifested in the heart of the Chandravalis group. And Lalit man manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika and her group. So now coming in this way, so for this regard, Sarup Damodar, he explained there are many kinds of also man. यदि नायिकार सभा प्रेमवृत्ते হয় বহুভেদ সেই ভেদে নানা প্রকার মানের উদয় সম্যক গোপিকার মান জানা যায় কথন এক দুই ভেদ করি করি দিগদর্শন. Because there are many kinds of man, very difficult to explain. But this man also coming again also two ways. One is called hetu man, with reason, or another is called ahituki man. Ahituki means causeless. And this man also manifested different ways. And listen some bad things or good things from others. Then man coming also. Some sapnik in their dream coming also. That time they become very also upset. This is coming. And sometimes so direct when they are looking. How Krishna sit to them and meeting with other ladies. So in this way, Ujjal Inmani, many kinds of reason also explained. But generally, we also discuss that the one is called Hetuman, another is called Ahituman. With cause, another is called without cause. And sometimes they also in the dream coming. So Krishna, he is meeting with another ladies, gopis. That time man is coming. Because they are thinking this is not the dream, this is true. So for this regard, they also doing this man. Sometimes they listen some another gopis, oh Krishna, he went to this kunja, this kunja, this kunja. This region also coming their man. Another they sometimes also they direct saw how Krishna met with Chandravalis and this man is coming. Different ways also this man. So for this regard, here also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, maner ke hoy dhira kehato adhira ei tena bhed hoy dhira 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 kanto dure bosid kare pratyukshan nikode asile kare asana pradan হৃদয়ের কোপ মুখে কহে মধুর বচন প্রিয় আলিঙ্গিত তারে করে আলিঙ্গন সরল ব্যবহার করে মানের পোষণ কিংবা সুলুণ্ঠন বাক্যে করে নিরসন অধীরা নিষ্ঠুর বাক্যে করে নভৎসন কর্ণোৎপল তারে করে মালার বন্ধন ধীরা ধীরা বক্র করে উপহাস কবু স্তুতি কবু নিন্দা কবু বা উদাস মুগ্ধা মুগ্ধা প্রগলভাতি নায়িকার ভেদ মুগ্ধা नहीं जाने मानेर विदग्ध विभेद मुख अच्छा दिया करे केवल रोदन कांतेर प्रिय वाक्ये सुनी होय प्रसन्न. So now coming in this way, different kinds of the man also very difficult to explain. If you are eager to listen or read, you can read Ujjal Muni Grantha, because so many things as here. Madha Pragalbha Dhira, Adhira, Dhira, Dhira. Just I will explain this way. And now, actually, this way, just I give an example. And once Radha, Krishna, he was herding the cows on very close to Radha Kunda. Just I give an one example how Radha Srimati Radhika's man has come. Man kaise aaya? So once Krishna, he was herding the cows very close to Radha Kunda. And then Srimati Radhika, she also made very nice, beautiful garland for Krishna. And so many hours Srimati Radhika, and she made that the garland without thread. And Srimati Radhika, she made one garland for Krishna without thread. बिना धागा से जो है माला बनाया. बना सकते हो? श्रीमती राधिका ने एक सुंदर जो माला प्रस्तुत किया जिसमें कोई धागा नहीं और फूलों की कला है. श्रीमती राधिका से इज वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट ऑफ दैट द माला, दैट द गार्लैंड. Then Srimati Radhika, she told her Sakhis, maybe one manjari also, okay, offer to Krishna. But Krishna that time surrounded with her friends for this regard. And one Sakhi that spoke to Krishna and put on the branches of the tree, on the branches of the tree. Actual Krishna he did not see, but that Sakhi is thinking maybe Krishna is looking. In the meantime, one crow came. Kowa. Kowa, I think that crow is thinking, and maybe this is someone food. The crow took and flew away, and little bit far. Then Chandravali and her Sakhis, they are also discussing to each others and glorify to Krishna something this. In the meantime, that the garland just fell down in the middle of the Sakhis of Chandravali. Then Chandravali Sakhis Padma, he saw, oh, very nice, beautiful this garland. Very beautiful and attractive. They cannot make this garland without the thread and also different art in this. That time, Chandravali Sakhi Padma, she think, oh, this must be Krishna's garland. Otherwise, who can use this? Then Padma, she gave to Chandravali, and Chandravali very nicely decorated her breast and nicely decorated, very nicely, beautiful and attractive. Now Chandravali, she is also passing through where Srimati Radhika talking. Radhika she was talking with her Sakhis. Then Srimati Radhika noticed, oh, that garland I gave to Krishna. Or now Chandravali is decorating, that means Krishna, and he gave this garland to Chandravali. Then Srimati Radhika, she did man. Well, how Krishna big cheater. One day, 2 days passed, Srimati Radhika, she did not meet with Krishna. Krishna, eager, Krishna sent many messages. What happened? What happened? Krishna sent her Sakhis, Krishna Bhakti Sakhis. Who are Krishna Bhakti Sakhis? Binda, Bindarika, Dhanishta, Bindarika. But Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. She did not give answer. Anyhow, then they find out what is the reason of the man of Srimati Radhika. And then Duti Stuti Prakriya, then Lalita Vishakha, they also realize, oh, actually this is the fault of Krishna. And so Lalita Vishakha, they sent to some Sakhis, and that is called Duti. Duti means messenger. This is their duty to pacify the hero and heroine when they did man and this how they will meet together. नायक नायिका के मिलन के लिए दुति के जो है काम होता रहता है. Actually, they are called messenger. And this is their duty, how to glorify to each others. And glorify to Krishna and glorify to Srimati Radhika. This is their duty. So then they also glorify to Srimati Radhika and or Krishna. Then anyhow, Srimati Radhika's man little bit diminishing. And then Radha and Krishna met together. Then Srimati Radhika told these things. Why did you offer my garland to Chandravali? Then Krishna very humble told, actually I did not see your garland, actually this garland. And the crow took away and throw in the assembly of Chandravali, and these things, everything is there. In this way, there are so many kinds of man is coming, and this is called Hetuman. Some also Ahetuki man also, without reason man is going on this way. So in Ujjwal Nirmani very nicely explained in this way. And so Gopiganer Madhye Radha Thakurani Nirmal Ujjwal Ras Prem Ratnakani Boyase Madhyama Tehu Sabhavi Sama Garo Prem Bhavi Nirantar Bama मान स्वभाव बामा भावे स्वभावे मान उठे निरंतर तार मध्य उठे कृष्णेर आनंद सागर here Krishnadas Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained Srimati Radhika's spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, and for this regard her man is as like the what is called Ratna Khani. Ratna Khani means where the all kinds of the what is called Ratna and ornaments, or kinds of jewels are coming, and उसके कहते खनी कहा जाता है. खनी के इंग्लिश क्या बोलते हैं? रत्न से जो खनी से जो निकालते हैं ना, माइन नहीं तो कोयला निकल. अच्छा चलो माइन चलो so उज्जवल निर्मल उज्जवल रस प्रेम रत्न खानी and Bammo Sabhave Uthe Nirantar. Because Srimati Radhika with her man, she also control to Krishna. And then Krishna is very happy also these things. And when Srimati Radhika she became angry and she used many harsh words, then Krishna is very happy. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained in this way. Priya Jidi Man Kari Kare Vatsan Vedastuti hoite mor Hare mor man. And Krishna himself told, when my Sakhis, especially Srimati Radhika, she did man and used many harsh words, then I am very eager to listen their harsh words. Even Brahma, Shiva, when they recited many Vedas mantra with very nice sweet rhythm, I am not pleased with their that type of stuti. But my beloved gopis, when especially Srimati Radhika used many harsh words, then I am very happy. And so here Ujjwal Nirmani also explained this way. Ahoriva gati premna svabha kutila bhavit ato hetava hetascha junurmana udanchati. Actual here also explain when lover and beloved, and when the spontaneous love and affection to each other, and this is the nature of the love, create the anger and man. And this is aheriva meva gati premna svabha kutila bhavit. Aheriva means the nature of the man, and as like the activities of snake, aheriva, as like snake. So saying aheriva goti premna svabha kutila bhavit ato heto ahetuscha junor man udanchati. And in this way, they are man also. One is called hetuman, another is called ahetuman, and some is bhamma, and sometimes also dakhinna bhav. And this is the nature. And eto suni bade prabhu ananda sagar kah kah कह कह प्रभु बोले राधा ए दामोदर राधिके उदर অধীর মহাভাব রাধিকার প্রেম বিশুদ্ধ নির্মল জয়ছি দগ্ধবান হেম কৃষ্ণের দর্শনে যদি পায় আচম্বিতে নানা ভাব বিভূষণে হয় বিভূষিতে অশ্বসাত্ত্বিক হর্ষাদি ব্যভিচারিয়ার সহজ প্রেম বিংশতি ভাব অলঙ্কার কিলকিঞ্চিত কুট্টমিত বিলাস ললিত বিক্ষোভ মোট্টায়িত আর মুগ্ধ চকিত এইসব ভাবভূষায় ভূষিত শ্রী রাধার অঙ্গ দেখিতে উথলে কৃষ্ণ সুধা অবধি তরঙ্গ। Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely explained how Srimati Radhika's these types of man and also 20 types of bhav alankar and this time especially in Klikanchit bhav and different also this mood is coming. But we also discuss the three things. One is called Lakshmi Devi, that is called not the man, that is called krodha, anger. Or another Rukmini's Satyabhama's man, actually that is another man, that is called Manabhas. Or in Vrindavan Gopis, they are going to give perfect man, and especially Srimati Radhika's man is called perfect man. Because why the man coming? Then Srimati Radhika, she knows only I can give the exclusive pleasure to Krishna. If Krishna will go other place of Sakhi, they cannot give perfect happiness to him. For this regard, Krishna will feel unhappiness. So Srimati Radhika, she realized this. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, actually she was a chastisement to Krishna. Why did you go there? Actually, this is called the love and affection. Then in this way, very nicely explained these types of different types of man, especially Lalit man. Lalit man in only in the heart of Srimati Radhika and her group. Krishna Ananta Lila Najay Varnan, Apone Varnan Jidi, Sahasra Varnan, Srivas Hasiya Kahi, Suno Damodar, Amar Lakshmi Dekho, Sampatti Vistar. Then when Lord, then one is thinking, one conversation is coming. Sarup Damodar, he asks, why Lakshmi Devi? She also decorated with very nice, beautiful ornaments and with her maid servants and going to meet with her beloved. Why? What is the reason? Then Srivas Hasya Kahi, Suno Damodar, Amar Lakshmi Dekho, Sampatti Vistar. Actually, Lakshmi Devi, she is angry with Krishna. Why? Because in Lakshmi Devi, she is thinking here Jagannath Puri, so many opulence. So why Krishna is staying in Vrindavan and there is no opulence, nothing? So Srivas Thakur is also taking the role and side of Lakshmi Devi. For this regard, Srivas is saying, Srivas Hasiya Kahi, Suno Damodar, Amar Lakshmi Dekho, Sampatti Vistar. That means Lakshmi Devi, she is showing her opulence and chastised to Krishna and his associates in Vrindavan. Why Lakshmi Devi, Krishna, why is staying in Vrindavan? Because Jagannath Puri full of opulence. So why Krishna give up this opulence place and staying in Vrindavan full of dust? Dhula Dushit, Vrindavan full of dust, no opulence. And Brajavasi, they are completely rural, Gramin. They have no sweet language also. Ha, hu, re, ra, ri, ra, tuta. They use this language or not? they don't know the very sweet, eloquent words. Eh? They use what kinds of language? Rural language, Gramin. And they have no also nice cloth, eh? Nice also no any ornaments. Eh? So why Krishna give up this opulence of Dwarka and staying in there? And for this reason, Lakshmi Devi is showing to the associates of वृंदावन, वृंदावन वासी को दिखाया ये तुम लोग कैसे है, हम लोग कैसे है, और why Krishna is staying with you. So for this regard, Lakshmi Devi, she decorate very nice, beautiful ornaments and also Das Dasi. They think that means Srimati Radhika. Lakshmi, she is very proud of her opulence, Aishwarya Sampad. Why Krishna left this Aishwarya opulence and staying in a very what is called worthy place, no, very lower place. Amar Lakshmi dekho sampatti vistar. So for this Srivas Thakur is saying, Amar Lakshmi dekho sampatti vistar. Vrindavani sampad dekho pushpa kisalay. And our Vrindavan already there, only the flowers are there. And that flowers are ordinary flowers, not sweet smelling flowers. Vrindavani giridhatu sigivicha gunja phalmoy, and some also and dhatu, that is called giridhatu, that is called the some what is called when the what is called to smear. Now when they rubbed the stone, and that time some kinds of chandana or something is coming. Understand? And they also use the Sikipincha. Sikipincha means the Mayupankha and peacock feather, Gunja fall, these things. These are ordinary things. And any civil person cannot use these things. Those who are uncivil persons, they can use these things. Srivas Thakur is saying this. Those who are uncivil person, uncivilized person, they are use this or this word. And peacock feather on his, if you go to the what is called rural place, then people their dress is not good, and their dress and what is that dress? Not beautiful dress, and half naked dress also. They are not covered their body with proper way. Cloth is not good, dusty, and bad smell coming to their body also. They are not putting soap in their body. शरीर में साबुन नहीं लगाते हैं, not they are using the what is called shampoo. That is a rural people. So who are Krishna is staying in that place? Go with that, just they also feeding the cows, feeding the cow dung. This is good. Bad smell coming. So for this here, Vrindavan sampad dekho, pushpa kisalay, giridhatu sikipincha gunja phalmoy. Vrindavan dekhi bare gela Jagannath, suni Lakshmi Devi mane hoilo aswad. Aswad means Lakshmi Devi, she become very angry and also jealousy. Why Krishna is going there? Bad place. If you after marriage, where you will go? And you also celebrate your honeymoon. Where you will go? You will go in that place. Dusty place. You will go a very nice, beautiful place. Understand? No one after marriage, no one go to celebrate the honeymoon and in these types of place. So same way, Srivas Thakur is saying, Vrindavan completely what? This place. Vrindavan dekhi Jagannath, Suni Lakshmi Devi mane hoilo aswad. Aswad means Lakshmi Devi become very angry. Paswa Yukta. That means little bit also and upset and jealous. Why Krishna is staying in there? And Lakshmi Devi, she decorated these types of ornaments, opulence. Why? Because showing her opulence to the residents of Vrindavan Vashi. Look, how's my opulence? Where you are? Why you are taking my beloved Krishna and in Vrindavan with you? Eh? All you are completely what? Useless. And for this regard, Lakshmi Devi, she decorate many kinds of ornaments, this. Eh? এত সম্পত্তি ছাড়ি কেন গেল বৃন্দাবন তারে হাস্য করিতে লক্ষ্মী করিলা সাজন and Srivas Thakur saying because Lakshmi Devi decorate these types of opulence showing to the Vrindavan Vasi and laughed and joked. So where you are, where am I? Look our opulence or where is that? Acha. তোমার ঠাকুর দেখো এত সম্পত্তি ছাড়ি পত্র ফুল লোভে গেলা পুষ্প বাড়ি এই কর্ম কাহা বিদগ্ধ শিরোমণি লক্ষ্মীর অগ্রেতে প্রভু রে দেহ আনি then here also explain this look Lakshmi Devi become very angry krud abhiman hey return back my husband তো ফরদিকা তোমার ঠাকুর দেখো এত সম্পত্তি ছাড়ি পত্র ফুল লোভে গেলা পুষ্প বাড়ি এই কর্ম কাহা দিব বিদগ্ধ শিরোমণি লক্ষ্মীর অগ্রতে দেহ প্রভুরে দেহ আনি রিটার্ন ব্যাক মাই হাজবেন্ড কৃষ্ণ ফরদিকা লক্ষ্মী দিদি এ তো বলি মহালক্ষ্মী সব দাসী গণে কোটি বস্ত্রে বাঁধি আনে প্রভু নিজ গণে লক্ষ্মী চরণে আসি করায় প্রণতি দণ্ডলয় আর করায় বিনতি রথের উপরে করে দণ্ডের তাড়ন চোর প্রায় করে জগন্নাথের সেবকগণ then all the servants of Lakshmi Devi they become very angry with Vrindavan Vasi, those who are the servants of Lord Jagannath, and they also bind it and offer the lotus feet of Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi karaye pranati and they also what is called and crush the chariot and understand জগন্নাথের দণ্ড এই রথের উপর করেন দণ্ডের তাড়ন চোর প্রায় করে জগন্নাথের সেবকগণ সব ভৃত্যগণ কহে জোর করি হাত কালিয়ানি দিব তোমার আগে জগন্নাথ then all the associates of Lord Jagannath they told okay don't worry tomorrow Krishna will come with you and Krishna completely surrender your feet they are saying kali ani dibo tomar age Jagannath because Lakshmi Devi she did this warrant jari warrant jari warrant you understand but they go have to return back তবে শান্ত হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী যায় নিজ ঘর আমার লক্ষ্মীর সম্পদ বাক্য অগোচর শ্রীবাস ঠাকুর he told when the associates of Lord Jagannath they very humble told to Lakshmi Devi okay tomorrow and your husband Krishna will be surrendered to you and now keep calm and quiet then Lakshmi Devi a little bit calm and quiet and amar Lakshmi sampad bakko gochar then Srivas Thakur again told hey Srivas do you know hey Tarab Damodar do you know my Lakshmi's opulence is what and unparalleled how is beautiful and the Vaikuntha Dham these things are continuous. Srivas Thakur told listen also another thing দুগ্ধ আউটিয়া দধি মতে তোমার গোপীগণ আমার লক্ষ্মী ঠাকুর বইছে রত্ন সিংহাসন Srivas Thakur she told you know my mistress Lakshmi Devi she is called Maharani in Vaikuntha Dham she is the queen of Vaikuntha and she gives order all her what is called servants are Your gopis, what they are doing? They also boiling the milk and milking cows and boiling the milk. And what they are doing these things? Eh? These things. Eh? When the milking the cows have the heart, and also when the boiling the milk, they are sitting very close to the fire, and their body will become very heat. Eh? In this way, um, Narad Rishi, that means what is called Srivas Thakur, he glorified to Lakshmi Devi. Then Sarup Damodar, he told, and Narad Prakriti Srivas Kare Parihas, Suni Hase Mahaprabhu Jato Nijo Das. Srivas mood is now Narad Rishi, and also Narad Rishi and Srivas Thakur glorify the associates of Lakshmi Devi in Vaikuntha. Then Mahaprabhu heard this, then Mahaprabhu laughed. প্রভু শ্রীবাস তোমার নারদের স্বভাব ঐশ্বর্য হবে তোমার ঈশ্বর প্রভাব ইহ দামোদর স্বরূপ শুদ্ধ ব্রজবাসী ঐশ্বর্য না জানিতে হুঁ শুদ্ধ প্রেমে বাসী then Mahaprabhu told us
They were still in the list, so we just wait. And I don't see him anymore, so we will just wait. You're trying to fix the connection there. One moment, please.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Okay, just 10 minutes more. प्रभु के श्रीवास तुम्हार नारद स्वभाव ऐश्वर्य भावे तुम्हार ईश्वर प्रभाव यह दामोदर स्वरूप शुद्ध ब्रजवासी ऐश्वर्य न जाने तेहूं शुद्ध प्रेमे भासी. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, your nature, and that is called the opulence. Or Swarup Damodar, his nature, that is called the nature of pure Brajavasi, Suddha Brajavasi. Those who are the pure Brajavasis, they have no mood of in opulence. Even they see the opulence, Aishwarya, they don't believe Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. Aishwarya dekhilo na mane Aishwarya. This is the nature of pure Brajavasi. Then Swarup Damodar told, Swarup kahe suno Srivas, suno sabodhane, বৃন্দাবন সম্পদ তোমার নাহি পড়ে মনে, বৃন্দাবনে সহজিক যে সম্পদ সিন্ধু, দ্বারকার বৈকুণ্ঠ সম্পদ তার এক নহে বিন্দু. Then Swarup Damodar told, hey Vrindavan, hey Srivas, did you forget about the opulence of Vrindavan? বৃন্দাবন সম্পদ তোমার নাহি পড়ে মনে, বৃন্দাবনের সাহাজিক যে সম্পদ সিন্ধু, and the spontaneous opulence in Vrindavan, and that opulence you cannot compare with the one drop with Dwaraka's and whole Dwaraka and Vaikuntha's opulence. And just one dust of Vrindavan, how is powerful. That opulence you cannot compare with whole Dwaraka and Vaikuntha's opulence. And so how possible you forget? So Swarup Damodar he told, Parama Purushottam Sang Bhagavan Krishna taha dhani taha Vrindavan dham, Chintamani mai bhumi ratnara bhavan, Chintamani gan dasi charane bhushan, কল্পবৃক্ষলতার তাহা সাহজিক বন, পুষ্প ফল বিনা কেহ নামাগে অন্ন ধন, অনন্ত কামধেনু তাহা ফিরে বনে বনে, দুগ্ধ মাত্র দেন কেহ নামাগে অন্ন ধনে, সহজ লোকের কথা তাহা দিব্য গীত, সহজ গমন করে চৈছে নিত্য প্রতীত, সর্বত্র জল তাহা অমৃত সমান, চিদানন্দ জ্যোতি সাধ্য তাহা মুনি তাহা মূর্তিমান, লক্ষ্মী জিনিস গুণগ্রাহী লক্ষ্মীর সমাজ, কৃষ্ণবংশী করে তাহা প্রিয় সখী কাজ. Now Brahma Samhita very clearly explaining, Chintamani sakara salpa kalp Chintamanir Chintamani prakar sadhu kalpa vriksha, Lakshavritesu surabhirapalantam, lanam govindam adipurusam tamaham bhajami, Sriyakanta kanta paramapurusha kalpataroba, Druma bhumischintamani ganamayin tottangamani obi, Bangsi priya sakhi, Chidananda jyoti paramamopi tadasadamapi cha. Sarup Damodar, he told, hey, Srivas Thakur, do you know how it's beautiful, Vrindavan? And Chintamani Prakar Sadmasu Kalpa Vriksha. Chintamani Prakar Sadmasu Kalpa Vriksha. All the houses of Vrindavan that is built with Chintamani. Chintamani Prakar Sadmasu Kalpa Vriksha. And all the trees of Vrindavan, they are called Kalpa Vriksha. This is a tree. And the cows of Vrindavan, that is called Kamadhenu, fulfill all is there. So Chintamani Prakar Sadmasu Kalpa Vriksha, Laksha Vritisu Suravi Ravirapalayantam, Lakshmi Satasahasa Sambhrama Sevamanam. And all the Lakshmis of Vaikuntha, they also blooming in Vrindavan. So how possible to forget this? And Brahma Samhita very clearly explained this way. Not only this, Vrindavan also explained this way. Sriya Kanta Kanta Parama Purusa Kalpataravu Droma Bhumischinta Maniganamain Toyang Amritam. All the water of Vrindavan, that is called Amrit, sweet nectar. Katha Ganam. When the ladies of Vrindavan, then also speak the sweet rhythm coming. And when they walk, and in Vrindavan, that is called the pose of dance. Bangsi Priya there also Bangsi, flute, Vrindavan, that's good. And
Let's wait again. Okay, Haribol, the class has ended. We will meet again on the 1st of July, Wednesday. Yes, Haribol.